Hello everyone, welcome back to Jewelstep. Today we'll learn how to create Jobworker users in the mobile application for the manufacturing process. Let's start by checking our Jobworker list in settings. Right now we have a Jobworker named Leo Artisan, but he doesn't have any assigned orders because he doesn't have a user account yet. Let's create a user account for Leo Artisan. To create a user, go to the Administrator panel and select User Management. Click Create User. Enter the user details: name, Leo, role, job worker, username, Leo, password, 100. Once done, save the user account. Now, our user account for Leo has been successfully created. Let's log in to the mobile application using the new user account. Username, Leo, password, 100. After logging in, you'll see that no orders are assigned yet. Let's send an order from the main office to the setting department for Leo Artisan. Click the transfer button, select the setting department, assign the job to Leo, add a diamond product, type Lab Diamond. After saving, the order appears under Leo Artisan's account. Let's check the mobile application. We log in as Leo and navigate to the manufacturing process in the setting department. Here, the assigned order details are visible. Leo can track his work hours using the work timer. Click the play button to start the timer, work on the job. Click stop when done. The work duration is automatically recorded. Once the work is complete, Leo can transfer the order back to the main office. Let's say the final weight is 11.4 grams. The system automatically calculates the material loss and updates the record. When the manager checks the system, the transferred order appears in the main office with all updated details. And that's how to create Jobworker users and complete the manufacturing process using the mobile application in Jewelsteps. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.